Okay, in this video, I just want to show you how Snapper works. Snapper is a snapshot tool that actually takes a snapshot of your operating system. In this case, Arch. Takes a snapshot. So if you mess up or break Arch, you can just go back to a previous snapshot and, go from there. Snapper is brilliant. It works like a charm. But let me just quickly show you how cool it actually is. Kitty! And then, right, so Snapper. So basically, just to install Snapper, you just say sudo pacman-s snapper or yay-s snapper, and then it will install it. But what makes it great is these utilities as well. Snap-pac and grub-btrfs. Now, obviously, you need to be on the btrfs file system, which is actually way better for taking snapshots and backups and so on. If you're not, then you can't use grub-btrf, obviously. And but I think snapshots should work on ext4. But anyway, I just always install btrfs. So all you have to do is install snap-pac. So same setup as pacman-s snap-pac, same with grub-btrfs. What snap-pac does is it hooks into your pacman install. So when you update your Arch, it actually detects it and it makes a snapshot before you update. And then when your updates are done, it makes another snapshot for safety. So if anything goes wrong in your updates and it crashes your system, you can just go back to just before, and it does it automatically. So that's a very cool tool. grub-btrfs is actually very important because what this one does is it updates your grub menu. Obviously, if you use grub as your boot menu, it actually puts the snapshot entries into your grub boot menu. So you have your normal boot entry, and then you have, I think, like 2 or 3 snapshots that you can choose from right in your menu. And that is actually great too. So once you install grub-btrfs, you can just, it's not gonna run by default, so you're gonna have to start it. So we can just check. Yeah, systemctl status, and then grub-btrfs.service. Is it the, I'm in the wrong. These virtual machines are the worst. So systemctl, I haven't installed it on my main system. I've got Timeshift there, which I want to actually, but okay, Timeshift has a complete backup system as well, where Snapper is just makes snapshots. Anyway, status, grub-btrfs.service. Oh, snap and doodles. Yeah, it's running. And then again, if you want to just check the commands now. If it's not running, just say enable now. So systemctl enable -- now grub-btrfs.service. Anyway, leave it in the comments anyway. But you have to run this, otherwise it's not going to make that grub entry in your grub boot menu. So let's just see if it's there actually. I'm going to reboot those. If it's not there, then I'm going to laugh. Advanced options from Arch Linux. Oh, here it is. Arch Linux snapshots. Oh, yes. Way too many. I think you can change how many snapshots it keeps, obviously, because this is way too many. I should I should read up more on it, but I don't think it takes up space. It's just a snapshot of a certain period of when you took the snapshot. I'm not sure how it works, but anyway, there's all your snapshots now. Now you can choose, you know, according to date and so on. So this is pretty goddamn cool. So now if your system doesn't want to boot, if your normal boot entry, you can just go to snapshots. Yeah, that's actually very cool. Very cool indeed. Anyway, like and subscribe, and yeah, install Snapper. Good.